Hello, good day. I am Ma'am Suzette. Welcome to Let Review with Ma'am Zette. Today we will be having a 50-item multiple choice quiz about authors and their works. I will read the questions and options, and after 3 seconds, I will reveal the answer. You may mute the video if you want to read and answer on your own. Are you ready? Let's start with question number 1. Who is the author of To Kill a Mockingbird? Letter A. Mark Twain, B. Robert Frost, C. Ernest Hemingway, or D. Harper Lee? The answer is letter D, Harper Lee. Number 2. Who was given the title Morning Star of English Literature? Letter A, Geoffrey Chaucer, B, John Milton, C, William Shakespeare, or D, Christopher Marlowe? The answer is letter A, Geoffrey Chaucer. Number 3. Which author is known for The Great Gatsby? Letter A, Edgar Allan Poe, letter B, F. Scott Fitzgerald, letter C, George Orwell, or D, John Steinbeck? The answer is letter B, F. Scott Fitzgerald. Number 4. Which of these authors earned the title The Sage of Concord? Letter A, Ralph Waldo Emerson, B, John Keats, C, Sir Walter Scott, or D, Leo Tolstoy? The answer is letter A, Ralph Waldo Emerson. Number 5. War and Peace is a work of letter A. Oscar Wilde, B. Anton Chekhov, C. Leo Tolstoy, or D. Agatha Christie? The answer is letter C. Leo Tolstoy. Number 6. Who wrote Pride and Prejudice? Letter A. Emily Bronte, B. Charles Dickens, C. Mary Shelley, or D. Jane Austen? The answer is D. Jane Austen. Number 7. Which author penned 66 detective novels, giving her the title Queen of Crime? Letter A. Jane Austen, B. Emily Bronte, C. Charlotte Bronte, or D. Agatha Christie? The answer is D. Agatha Christie. Number 8. What is the real name of the author who wrote Silas Marner and Middlemarch? Letter A. Samuel Clemens, B. Charles Dodgson, letter C. Mary Ann Evans, or letter D. J.K. Rowling? The answer is letter C. Mary Ann Evans. Number 9. Who wrote under the pen name Mark Twain? Letter A. Samuel Clemens, B. Jose Garcia Villa, C. J.R.R. Tolkien, or D. Charlotte Bronte? The answer is letter A. Samuel Clemens. Number 10. Who is the author of Moby Dick? Letter A. Nathaniel Hawthorne, B. Herman Melville, C. Ernest Hemingway, or D. William Sidney Porter? The answer is letter B. Herman Melville. Number 11. Which author used the pen name O. Henry? A. Charles Dickens, B. Anne Bronte, C. William Sidney Porter, or D. Stephen King? The answer is C. William Sidney Porter. Number 12. Who wrote the Iliad and the Odyssey, and he is famously known as the first mythical geographer? Letter A. Plato, B. Kalidasa, C. Tagore, or D. Homer? Answer is D. Homer. 13. Who authored the tragic story of Dr. Faustus? Letter A. Herman Melville, B. Acton Bell, C. Christopher Marlowe, or D. Dante Alighieri? The answer is C. Christopher Marlowe. Number 14. Who wrote The Hobbit and The Lord of the Rings? Letter A. J.K. Rowling, B. Stephen King, C. J.R.R. Tolkien, or D. F. Scott Fitzgerald? The answer is letter C. J.R.R. Tolkien. 15. Which author created the famous story entitled Adventures of Huckleberry Finn? A. George Eliot, B. Mark Twain, C. O. Henry, or D. Leo Tolstoy? The answer is letter B. Mark Twain. 16. The Nobel Prize for Literature in 1973 was awarded to an Asian named A. Salman Rushdie, B. Bienvenido Santos, C. Rabindranath Tagore, or D. Kalidasa? The answer is letter C. Rabindranath Tagore. 17. Hester Prynne is the main character in The Scarlet Letter, written by A. Alexander Dumas, B. Nathaniel Hawthorne, C. Dante Alighieri, or D. James Joyce? The answer is letter B. Nathaniel Hawthorne. 18. Jane Eyre was published under pen name Kerr Bell. What is the real name of this author? A. Emily Bronte, B. Anne Bronte, C. Charlotte Bronte, or D. Elizabeth Bronte? The answer is letter C. Charlotte Bronte. 19. Which author wrote The Gift of the Magi, The Last Leaf, and Cabbages and Kings? A. William Sidney Porter, B. Robert Frost, C. William Shakespeare, or D. Alice Bell? The answer is letter A. William Sidney Porter. 20. The Road Not Taken, which talks about decision making and how each choice leads to a different journey, was written by A. Robert Frost, B. Walt Whitman, C. William Shakespeare, or D. Pablo Neruda? The answer is A. Frost. 21. How do I love thee? Let me count the ways. This line is from a sonnet written by A. Jane Austen, B. Emily Bronte, C. Elizabeth Browning, or D. Emily Dickinson? The answer is C. Elizabeth Browning. The famous children's story Alice's Adventures in Wonderland was written by A. Joanne Rowling, B. Marian Evans, C. Lewis Carroll, or D. Dr. Seuss? The answer is letter C. Lewis Carroll. 23. The Little Prince has a core lesson stated as what is essential is invisible to the eye. It was written by A. Mark Twain, B. Antoine de Saint Exupéry, C. Harriet Beecher Stowe, or D. Stephen King? The answer is Antoine de Saint Exupéry. Number 24. Which of the following authors wrote using the pen name Richard Bachman? Letter A. Mary Ann Evans, B. Charles Kingsley, C. Stephen King, or D. Charles Dodgson? The answer is letter C. Stephen King. 25. The Divine Comedy, which explores the afterlife journey of one's soul, was written by A. Edgar Allan Poe, B. Dante Alighieri, C. Alexander Dumas, or D. Walt Whitman? The answer is letter B. Dante Alighieri. 26. In the medieval years, the Canterbury Tales was written by A. Geoffrey Chaucer, B. William Shakespeare, C. Giovanni Boccaccio, or D. Thomas Aquinas? The answer is A. Geoffrey Chaucer. 27. Macbeth, which tells how greed and uncontrolled ambition can lead to a person's failure, was written by A. Harriet Beecher Stowe, B. Ernest Hemingway, C. Christopher Marlowe, or D. William Shakespeare? The answer is D. William Shakespeare. 28. Who is called the Indian Shakespeare? Letter A. Tagore, B. Kalidasa, C. Khayyam, or D. Buchanan? The answer is letter B. Kalidasa. 29. Who wrote the English translation of Rubaiyat? A. Henry Boyd, B. Dean Koontz, C. Charles Lamb, or D. Edward Fitzgerald? Answer is D. Edward Fitzgerald. 30. Which author is referred to as the Bard of Avon? A. William Shakespeare, B. Johann Gutenberg, C. Carlos Garcia, or D. Mark Twain? Answer is letter A. William Shakespeare. Next, The Tale of Peter Rabbit was written by A. J.R.R. Tolkien, B. Judy Blume, C. Beatrix Potter, or D. Shel Silverstein? The answer is letter C. Beatrix Potter. 32. Who among these Filipino authors gained the title the Coma Poet? Letter A. Bienvenido Santos, B. Nick Joaquin, C. F. Shunel Jose, or D. Jose Garcia Villa? The answer is letter D. Jose Garcia Villa. 33. Who wrote the story My Father Goes to Court? Letter A. Carlos Bolosan, B. Pedro Bucaneg, C. Bienvenido Santos, or D. Nick Joaquin? The answer is letter A. Carlos Bulosan. 34. Biag ni Lamang was written by the father of Ilocano literature named A. Juan Crisostomo Soto, B. Pedro Bucaneg, C. Ambeth Ocampo, or D. Edelberto Tiempo. The answer is letter B. Pedro Bucaneg. 35. Dead Stars is a love story that revolved around Alfredo Esperanza and Julia. Who wrote it? A. Edith Tiempo, B. Hilda Cordero Fernando, C. Lualhati Bautista, or D. Paz Marquez Benitez. Answer is letter D. Paz Marquez Benitez. 36. Oh Captain, My Captain, a poem dedicated to Abraham Lincoln, was written by A. Walt Whitman, B. Martin Luther King Jr., C. T.S. Eliot, or D. Ralph Waldo Emerson. The answer is A. Walt Whitman. 37. Who wrote the horror story entitled The Fall of the House of Usher? Letter A. Edgar Allan Poe, B. Dante Alighieri, C. Robert Frost, or D. Walt Whitman. The answer is letter A. Edgar Allan Poe. 38. Which author wrote The Butcher, the Baker, and the Candlestick Maker? Letter A. Leona Florentino, B. Genoveva Matute, C. Hilda Cordero Fernando, or D. Paz Marquez Benitez. The answer is letter C. Hilda Cordero Fernando. 39. Jose Rizal's first novel was inspired by Uncle Tom's Cabin. Who wrote it? Letter A. Alexander Duma, B. Dante Alighieri, C. Harriet Beecher Stowe, or D. Juan Crisostomo Soto. The answer is C. Harriet Beecher Stowe. Number 40. A Child of Sorrow is the first novel written by a Filipino in English language. It was written by A. Francisco Balagtas, B. Zoilo Galang, C. Bienvenido Santos, or D. Nick Joaquin. The answer is letter B. Zoilo Galang. 41. The Count of Monte Cristo was written by A. Samuel Clemens, B. Dante Alighieri, C. Alexander Dumas, or D. George Eliot. The answer is letter C. Alexander Dumas. 42. The father of Pampanga literature wrote under the pen name A. Tagailog, B. Siling Labuyo, C. Crisot, or D. Dimasilaw. The answer is C. Crisot. 43. Persuasion and Sense and Sensibility are two of the famous novels written by A. Mary Ann Evans, B. Frances Burnett, C. Elizabeth Browning, or D. Jane Austen. The answer is letter D. Jane Austen. 44. Who wrote the epic poem Paradise Lost? A. T.S. Eliot, B. O. Henry, C. Mark Twain, or D. John Milton. The answer is letter D. John Milton. 45. Animal Farm and 1984 are among the best works of A. Jane Austen, B. George Orwell, C. Nathaniel Hawthorne, or D. Herman Melville. The answer is B. George Orwell. 46. Who wrote the poem Stopping by Woods on a I'm sorry. Who wrote the poem Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening? Letter A. Edgar Allan Poe, B. Max Ehrmann, C. Maya Angelou, or D. Robert Frost. The answer is Robert Frost. 47. I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud, also known as Daffodils, was written by A. Max Ehrmann, B. William Shakespeare, C. William Wordsworth, or D. Walt Whitman. The answer is letter C. William Wordsworth. 48. Sonnet 18, Shall I Compare Thee to a Summer's Day, was written by A. Geoffrey Chaucer, B. William Shakespeare, C. Thomas Aquinas, or D. Elizabeth Browning. The answer is letter B. William Shakespeare. 49. The Woman Who Had Two Navels was written by A. Nick Joaquin, B. Jose Garcia Villa, C. Bienvenido Santos, or D. Lualhate Bautista. The answer is letter A, Nick Joaquin. Last question for the drill. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. These are the lines from the poem Invictus, written by A. Charles Dodgson, B. Charles Kingsley, C. William Ernest Henley, or D. William Sidney Porter? The answer is letter C. William Ernest Henley. Thank you so much for listening. Please subscribe to our channel, Abbott and Zet, and please follow our Facebook page, Let Review with Ma'am Zet. Thank you very much. Keep the faith, study consistently, and believe in yourself. You will pass the exam. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.